Kime. Ndewo Kime taa. Aha m bụ Ijeọma onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay? So today's live video, aga m aza ajụjụ Esther jụrụ. Okay? Aga m aza ajụjụ Esther jụrụ. Esther say, how does one read and write in Igbo? Okay? And what resources do I know? Okay? How does one read and write in Igbo? And what resources do I know? Okay? So fine. How do you write? Oh, I'll start with reading actually. Okay? So how do you read in Igbo? It is just by reading. Okay? So what I will tell you, I'll give you the resources and then you can just get them and then you start reading. What I would suggest is that you start by reading children's books. Just like when you are learning a new language, it's better to start with children's book because maybe on the page it will be one sentence or the most 2 sentences per page. It will not be like an adult novel. Okay, so if you go on Amazon, there's a lot of children's books. Okay, I know for a fact that Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, she's an Igbo author. She has many books on Amazon. If you just type in her name, Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, you will see Igbo storybooks and other books she's written for children. Okay, you can start from there. So order those books and start reading. Okay, because a children's book, they'll be easy to read. Okay, I also know that Akwụkwọ LLC has written books as well. So she's also on YouTube, Akwụkwọ LLC. Okay, they have children's book. I've forgotten the name of her recent book, but I think she has at least 2 books on Amazon. Okay, so if you go on Amazon again, you type Akwụkwọ LLC, you see books there that you can start reading. Okay, so these are children's books. And apart from these 2, there are probably other ones. Just type Igbo books on Amazon and you can get them. So once you start reading, it's one sentence, maybe 1 word, even a page, and just slowly you start going up different levels. Okay, like you would normally do. The next time you get a book, you get one that is a bit more advanced. And then when you're very confident, you go on for the Igbo novels, okay, which also you can find on YouTube. Some of them are not. Of course, the other way to get these books is if you know somebody going to Nigeria, you can tell them to get them for you, okay? There are lots of Igbo books in Nigeria that people can get from the market, okay? You just zemadu go gotere ga akwụkwọ na Naija, okay? Zemadu gotere ga akwụkwọ. Enola, okay, Esther. So that's it. One, start with children's books. And then it actually goes hand in hand with writing. So the more you read, the more you remember what you've read, and you can just write. And I advise you to get a notebook. And once you have read a book, get a notebook and summarize what you have read. Okay, so you read a storybook, you get your notebook and you think about the story you have read and then write it in your own words. Or even if it's in the same words as is written in the storybook, that's fine. It's just the more you do it, the more you can do it. Okay, it's all the more you do it, the better you become. So 1, you get this baby children's books and you read them. You get a notebook, a very beautiful notebook that you love seeing, that you would love to write in. And then whenever you read one book, even if it's just 1 page, you go into your book and write what you have read. Okay, and with time you'll find that there are many ways to say one thing, just like in English. Okay, and you might know 2 ways to say the same thing. You go ahead and write those 2 ways. Okay, so that is number 1. Number 1 thing I said is get those books, read them. Number 2, get your notebook and write down what you have read. Do a little summary, even if it's a 1 sentence summary. In the beginning, it may be hard, but maybe try and do maybe 1 book a week, okay? And then you summarize that book, and next week, another book. And if you don't understand the book, maybe read it more and more. You can do 1 book a month, but you read it every week. Oh, so I've told you 2 things. Get children's books, start from there, read it. Number 2, get a notebook and summarize what you have read. So number 3 way to learn how to read and write Igbo is then to get a tutor, okay? So maybe once you started, you start on your own, you come to a certain level, maybe you're stuck, you don't know how to maybe move forward, then it's time to get a tutor, get somebody to teach you, okay? All right, you can come and join my group that I teach, or you can join other people, okay? Because at the moment, the bootcamp is not open, okay? That's where I teach you. Actually, my program is focused on speaking, but it's also, you also give you homeworks where you read and you write, okay? My primary aim is to get you to speak, but if you're speaking already and you just want to write, if you're in the very beginning stages, you don't know how to write at all in Igbo, then you benefit from my program. But if you can write the basic things, and maybe you're planning to be an author in Igbo, fine. Then you have to look for more advanced teachers. I'm not teaching to that level yet. Doesn't mean you want to write a novel in Igbo, okay? Then you need to go actually and see the advanced Igbo teachers. I'm not teaching that. Maybe I might teach that in future, but at the moment, if you want to write at a higher level, then you might go on to find other teachers. And I'll tell you again, other teachers that I know. So like I said before, Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, she teaches Igbo. Okay, so you can reach out to her. She's on YouTube here. Her YouTube channel is called Learn Igbo. Okay, her website is learnibonow.com, and she's on Instagram. Okay, Learn Igbo Now. Okay, and her name is Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. You can also find her on Facebook. The other person I know that teaches advanced Igbo classes. So like I said, if you're hoping to write a book in Igbo and you're looking for advanced writing classes, maybe you're speaking already. Yeah, Esther. Okay, you can go to Obioha Mezi. Obioha teaches Igbo. He's also on YouTube. He's not sort of uploading regularly, but he has somewhere that he teaches Igbo. But if you want to sort of get a feel of how he teaches, if you type in Obioha Mezi, okay, Mezi is either M-M-E-Z-I or N-M-E-Z-I. I'm not sure how he spells his own. There are two ways to spell it. Obioha, O-B-I-O-H-A, Obioha Mezi. Okay, he's on YouTube here. And like I said, when you go on his YouTube channel, you can then find a link to contact him. Okay, those are other people. You know how you asked me for other resources. Okay, so there are resources on Amazon, and you're looking for other Igbo teachers. I've recommended 2 other people apart from myself. There's learnibonow.com, there's Obioha Mezi, and also on YouTube there's this channel called Igbo Village Square. There's a lot of things on that. If you could just go to that channel, Igbo Village Square, and there's also a website, igbovillagesquare.com. All right. And I also mentioned the other author, Akwukwo LLC. She's also on YouTube. Okay, you can find her teaching her children on YouTube, Akwukwo LLC. Okay, these are other people you can just check out, have a feel of how they teach and how you want to learn. Okay, all right. And like I said, if you're very in the beginning stage, you don't know how to read and write at all in Igbo, okay, then my bootcamp will be good for you. However, it is not open now. All right. So I hope this has been helpful. So there are 3 things I've said, just to recap. Number 1, get children's book on Amazon. Okay, just type Igbo books, Amazon, you see it, Igbo children's books. Or if you remember the name of the authors, Yvonne Mbanefo, Akwukwo LLC, and other people. Okay, just get their books, read 1 a week, summarize it in your book, in your own words. So you're doing reading and writing. That's 2 things actually I've said, isn't it? You read a book, summarize it. Number 3, get a tutor when you're ready. Okay, and I've already shown you tutors. I myself am 1. Number 2, Obioha Mezi. Number 3, learnibonow.com, which is Yvonne Mbanefo, and also Akwukwo LLC. Okay, I hope this has been helpful, Esther. Ask me in the comments. Okay, if you have more questions, ask me in the comments. And like I said, I'll be doing these live videos on Mondays. Okay. All right, so if you have questions for me that you want me to address next week, Monday, write them down in the comment section, okay? And I will remember and I'll answer them later. All right. I remember somebody asked me a question on one of my videos. She was asking about love words in Igbo. Love words. I will direct you to another video that has actually covered that. That is a video by Chizzy, yeah, thinking Chizzy Charles, yeah, Chizzy Charles, Chi and ZZY. Okay, Chizzy Charles. She's also on YouTube. She did a video on Igbo love words. Okay, if you go there, you will find them all, or at least a lot. Inugo ngwa gadi o ka ọ dị na-asụkwa Igbo. Inugo ka ọ dị